Hello. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. Hello, this is Marygarner, and I'm here hosting this international, well, it's not really international, but in the house something burping contest featuring Blair, aka the butterfly, and Alex, aka the dragonfly. She throws fire like a real dragon. Okay. Shall we get this on with? Who wants? Oh.
Oh yeah.
First burp by Blair.
Booyah!
We got a case of the giggles over here on Dragonfly. Oh, two. Oh. Oh, that was three.
Triple!
Three. Oh, that counts as 2 points. Alright. We got a coughing. Coughing, are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay. Alright. Oh, goodness.
Oh.
4 on Blair, 2 on Alex. Burp next. Oh, 5 on Blair. Oh, 6 on Blair. 3 on Alex. 4 on Alex.
You go ahead to her. It's gotta give me some time to digest.
Oh.
Ooh.
We got 7 and we got 4. This is very heated.
She's got 6.
Oh, 6. Oh, 7. It's tied. Oh, 8. Alex takes the lead. Join us next time for the second burp off, including Agent Dragonfly.
Stop butterfly!
She is a pretty butterfly, ain't she? Goodbye.
But I can burp. You call me now, you hear?
Yeah.